In this video, we are going to solve a problem based on series RL circuit. The problem given is like this. A 100 ohm resistor is connected in series with a choke coil. When a 400 volt 50 watt supply is applied to this combination, the voltage across resistance and the choke coil are 200 volt and 300 volt respectively. Find the power consumed by the choke coil. Also calculate the power factor of choke coil and power factor of the circuit. Let's draw the circuit first. So they are saying a resistor of 100 ohm is connected in series with a choke coil. So coil is nothing but series combination of resistance and inductance. So this is the resistance of choke coil RL and this is the reactance XL. When a 400 volt 50 hertz supply is applied to this combination, so it's like this. 400 volt 50 hertz supply is given to this series combination. The voltage across the resistance and the choke coil are 200 volt and 300 volt. So voltage across resistance is 200 volt and choke coil is 300 volt. Find the power consumed by the choke coil. So I will mention over here PL is the power consumed by choke coil. Power factor of the choke coil, so cos phi L is the power factor of choke coil, and power factor of the circuit, so it's cos phi C. C stands for circuit. So these are the unknowns we are supposed to find out. So let's solve. I know voltage across this 100 ohm 200 volt and resistance 100 ohm, so I can get this current I by using Ohm's law. So I is equal to VR by R, 200 divided by 100, which is equal to 2 ampere. Now being a series circuit, same current is flowing through this coil and I know voltage of this coil, I can get impedance for this coil. V coil is 300, I we calculated as 2, so I am getting ZL as 150 ohm. Same is the case for this entire circuit. Total voltage is known, current supplied is known, I can get total impedance of the circuit. 400 is supply voltage, current we obtained as 2, so total impedance is 200 ohm. So once we got all the impedances, next job will be very easy. Let's see how. Now I can find out RL and XL by using the formula of ZL, which is equal to root of RL square plus XL square. ZL we calculated as 150 ohm, so it's 150 equal to root of RL square plus XL square. That implies if I take square on both sides, what I will get RL square plus XL square equal to 22,500. Let's take this as equation number 1. Similarly, I can get ZT, that is equal to root of R plus RL the whole square plus XL square. ZT we calculated as 200, so 200 equal to R plus RL the whole square plus XL square. Now, if I take a square on both sides, what I will get? 40,000 equal to, root will go, but a plus b, the whole square formula gives me r square plus 2rRL plus RL square plus XL square. I know R is 100 ohm, and I can use this expression over here. So it is plus 22,500. So only unknown is RL. So if you solve, you will get RL equal to 37.5 ohm. Once you will get RL, using this relationship, you can get XL. So from equation 1, I can say 37.5 the whole square plus XL square equal to 22,500. So if you solve, you will get XL as 145.2369 ohm. We are supposed to find out power consumed by coil. We have seen that as far as AC circuit is concerned, only resistance is the parameter which is responsible for consumption of power. So in coil also, power consumed in coil is nothing but I square RL, because out of RL and XL, RL pure resistance is responsible for consumption of power. So it is 2 square. RL we calculated as 37.5. So I am getting power consumed in a coil is 150 watt. Now let us find out power factor of the coil. Cos phi L is nothing but RL upon ZL. RL is 37.5 and ZL we calculated initially as 150. So power factor of the coil is 0.25. Being a coil, it's an inductive circuit, power factor is lagging. Let's calculate power factor of the circuit. Cos phi C is R plus RL, because that is the total resistance in a circuit, divided by ZT. So R value is 100 already given, RL we calculated 37.5 and ZT is 200. So if you solve, you will get power factor of the circuit as 0.6875. Again, it's an inductive circuit, so nature is lagging. This is the end of a problem.